Alright, what's going on, everybody? Alright, let me make this real quick. So I got this 87 Honda Shadow. It's the obviously the 1100cc, but I'm replacing this turn signal. Super easy, super quick. Take off that seat, bada bing, right there, and you take off the main seat right there. Okay, little man. He wants to help supervise, whatever. Then you gotta undo the gas tank. Then get over here. Just lift the gas tank up. Get up under here. This is where all the electronics are. And you got 3 wires, and they are color coded. See, it's basically just plug and play. You get that done, and it's all good.